Hello. In this movie I want to show you another keyring from Aliexpress.com. This keyring, in my opinion, this is way better than that keyring because that is made from plastic. I don't know what it is right here, this piece. So in this keyring you can use only this spacer to hold your keys, but in this keyring you can use both spacers to hold your keys. This spacer and this spacer. Okay, so as on previous movie, we can try how it works. On my 3 example keys. Okay, you can see this is different spacer because this is only 2 screws. Yeah? In this keyring it was 1 screw spacer and 2nd screw, so it was way harder, more difficult to screw them together. Okay, here we have a few nuts. I don't remember the words, but I think nuts, it could be proper word. Okay, we put spacer in the scale. Next step is put first key, first nut, second key, one moment, second nut, third key, third nut, and so on and so on. I have only 3 keys, so I will end at that moment. Okay, so next, one moment, it is not so simple, and my dog try to disturb my movie. Okay, in this scale, spacer, I don't know how to say that, it falls into the screw, into the scale, so as you can see it is way easier to screw them together. Okay, and we screw the screws. Okay, of course I have only 3 keys, for example, so it looks like it looks, but it is quite nice key holder. It has this type of clip. In fact, in my opinion, too heavy, too hard clip, but maybe in future it will be easier to unlock them. Okay, and if you like buy on AliExpress, and if you like EDC gadgets, then you can match orange key holder, and also orange watch, which, okay, maybe this is black watch but with few orange pieces. About this watch, I will be making movie in few minutes, so please be patient. Okay, so that's it. I think it will be my favorite key holder, and I think it is worth to spend maybe $4, maybe $5. I don't remember exactly how expensive it was. Thank you.